Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Say, look at all the snow everywhere.
Look at all the snow everywhere.
Lots of snow, huh?
Lots of snow,
Yeah, lots of snow.
I'll take a picture.
Oh, I'm making a movie. Woo! Toby! Toby! Toby, get out straight! Get over here! Toby! 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 Get out of the street! Hey! Toby! No! Get over here! Get over here! Toby, now! Toby, get over here! Get over here! Look at everybody playing in the snow. Ugh. Oh, yucky snow. Yay! Want to get in the sled, Chastity, and be on the video? Hi. I'm making a video. Woo! Yucky snow. Cheese. Chastity. Chastity. Woo! Chase. You okay? There you go. Oh. This is a snow video. Where's Toby? Oh, there he is. Toby, get over here. Toby! Sassy, come on. Go for a walk. What? Where's your gloves? Well, grab them, hon.
They're so close and I don't want to wear them.
Oh, well, take them off. Toby, you like the snow? Speak! 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 Yuck, snow. Yuck, snow. Look at Chastity in her beautiful Tinkerbell coat snowsuit.
Ready?
Ready? Come on, let's walk. Toby likes the snow. Look at him looking at, loving the snow. There he goes, running and running and running. There he goes. It's Sunday. I think today's the 10th of January. Look at Chastity walking in the deep snow, 10 inches deep. Is what they said, 10 inches deep. So I know all you people out there love to have snow in your state, but it really sucks. I hate snow. I hate it. Hate it. Can't wait till summer. Chase, look! Toby! Toob! Look at Chastity playing in the snow. What's wrong?
My hands are cold. I'm taking a rest.
You ready to go in the house?
No, I'm taking a spell.
You taking a rest? Okay. If you want to go out, we'll go have some hot chocolate or something. Hot chocolate. Toby. Toby. See you later. I'm getting off this. It's cold. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.